Welcome back all. After setting up an Ethereum node, it's time to explore how we can engage with it. Ethereum clients, which including execution and consensus clients, offer a range of APIs to facilitate interaction with them. We are going to utilize Thunder client to call those APIs. To call these APIs, we need to provide the endpoint and necessary parameters. The developers has already documented these APIs and provide the JSON files that we can easily load into Thunder client. Next, I will load those JSON files into Thunder client. Thunder client allows us to load these files via URL. So I'll use this feature to load the files for both Besu and Lighthouse. This action creates two collections within the Thunder client that contain the list of all APIs we can utilize to engage with the Ethereum clients. Let's test some APIs for both clients. Starting with Besu, I'll use eth get block by number to retrieve details of Genesis block by providing its block number as a hexadecimal value. Then enter the HTTP RPC endpoint of Besu in the URL field and execute the API. Next, we try and retrieve the details for the Ethereum node synchronization using the eth syncing. Select it and enter the HTTP RPC endpoint of Besu and execute it. Next, let's communicate with the Lighthouse client. I'll retrieve the block header for a specific block by providing its block number. Let us enter the beacon node API endpoint in the URL field and execute the request. Let's also retrieve details regarding chain synchronization. And here we can see the details, and false means it has completed its synchronization. I hope you got the hang of it. Now feel free to explore and experiment with the APIs. Thank you.